shovels out. This would be a terrible way to start your day.
Oh yeah. Just sneak through you guys here. You're fine.
I'll have to send somebody in there just to hook that front.